Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the mukbang effect on Higgsfield AI. So if you have an image that you want to create using this effect, like this is was as we can see, this was the original image uploaded, and then this was the effects created. So this allows your image to eat the mukbang noodles, and all you have to do to create something similar to this is to go to higgfield.ai, sign up or create an account if you do not have one, and then select apps. Now Higgsfield AI is the hub of everything AI video and effects. You can just check out the website for yourself. On the app section, scroll down and choose the mukbang um, effect section. You're brought to a page like this where all you have to do is to upload an image, select this, make it into a video, click on generate, and within 15 to 20 minutes your video would be ready for download with the image you must have uploaded. So another thing to notice is that this says here beneath this that it takes about 16 credits, and this is really reasonable because Higgsfield AI gives you multiple credits, about 30 or more, once you sign up, and then it allows you to even create multiple effects every day with your free account, and it just makes sense. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll try and get to it. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys.